We are live. Live sports. Oh,
Yay!
Give the
Yay
dog
for
some
me!
kibbies.
Yay for me!
okay, doggy some kibbies.
Pre-stream kibbies.
Yay for me, Kibby! Yay for me, Kibby!
There's no more kibbies. There's nothing on the ground. Oh, this dog, I tell ya. Comes in here every day, multiple times a day, but he's still gonna sniff every inch of this ground to see if there's anything to nom on.
Played hide and go seek with him today with the bones. I don't think he understands how to dog right. He most dogs, like a hound dog, bloodhound, they breathe in through their nose so that they can smell the smells. He kind of has his mouth open the whole time, going the whole time trying to smell the smell. Now, granted, he gets to where he needs to be, but
Hmm.
I don't think he understands that if he closes his mouth and breathes completely through his nose, he might be okay. There's nothing on the floor. Stop licking it. Weirdo.
What, now you want to get up here? You need to wait.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Sit down. Oh, thank you. Bless. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna be grooved for 10 minutes.
All right. So I have some ideas, and I'm going to be pretty, maybe boring to watch tonight. But I'm going to attempt to redo our dungeon generation. Took some notes. I started to do a little something on the side. Nothing is real yet. Yet is the key word. I'm going to create a new C# script in here. Sure, hold on, I'll be here for a second. Is blueprint single word? I think so, right?
Mm-hmm.
Reloading domain.
Thank you so much, Enix. Great help.
I hear nothing out of my music. There we
You
go.
hit your max. Can't listen anymore.
No. No. It's not how this works.
Yeah, actually,
Says
we're
you
gonna do some
achieved.
costs. We're doing some cost-cutting measures, and we're no longer doing that subscription anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to find new music New music. Yep. I want to ride my bicycle.
No queen, though. Probably greatest band on earth, but no queen.
Bicycle.
No queen.
I am not a queen. Don't call me a queen.
You're singing queen, therefore you are technically a
No,
queen at this point.
no. It's by Michael Jackson.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
All right.
It's I want to ride my tricycle. He
Wow.
sang it. Yeah. I want to ride my tricycle. It's actually by Stephen King. About it, and he rides around in the sewers, saying, "I want to ride my tricycle.
Does he
I
now?
want to ride my." Yeah.
Those little balloons.
You would, you would know if you looked it up and read a book, but audiobooks only. I guess must cut it out. I don't know. Mwahaha.
Floor wall.
You know, you never put any floor traps into the dungeon.
Yeah, that's what this is now. Redoing the layout so that way I can handle traps and such. I don't love this, but I'm gonna do this for now.
Oh, Enix.
He is just
Oh,
having at it over there.
slow boy. I think he might be done, but usually when he's done, he's like, now I gotta get off your lap. And he hears that bag you got crumpling over there. Nothing, Enix. Nothing. Oh, but he's gonna check it out anyway. You wanna go see what your daddy has? Got nothing for you.
I see you. I see you. What are you doing standing there, Dobby ears? Yeah. His ears are up. Up, out.
You gonna go take a walkabout?
A walkabout.
You ready? For a walkabout? I'm not ready for any sort of thing. Oh, you lost one of your chin whiskers. Gotta grow it back. Good boy. All right. All right. What am I working on tonight? You got me going in all different directions again. You said enemies, dungeon.
Yep. Archer.
Town, archer. I don't know what you want me to.
I
What?
tried to
Why does
give
he?
you a lot of things because you seem to not want to do the same thing for a long period of time. So I said, why don't you fill the dungeon with some cosmetic items? Or work on the
I mean,
archer
I
a little bit.
think we
Or
have enough stuff to kind of fill it already.
I have a pot.
You have pots, you have torches, you have the banners, you have the windows, doors. We have
We need more
boxes,
than that.
barrels, pots. I don't have the skeleton on the wall anymore. I don't know what happened to that. We have gates. We have floor traps. What more do you want in there?
Maybe you should do some research. Go play like Ember Knights or something. See how their dungeons are. There just seems to be more.
I'm looking at some and they look pretty plain. Like we already have more than some of these ones that I'm looking at.
Okay. I was trying to offer you things to do because you seem to be getting frustrated with the enemies. So I was trying to get you to do something else. If you don't like that idea, go back to the enemy. I want my enemy. You have 97 more enemies to go. Let's go.
I didn't even finish one.
I know. Yep. Well, you have finished one. The wizard's fine. The frost wizard's good. He's got slow animations. He walks. He dies. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna play it out for now. Toying around with that.
We never did breakable walls either.
Working on it. That's what I'm trying to do. Literally what I'm working on, my dear. Literally. Literally.
I need to clean this stuff up. I don't even remember. I don't even know what you have anymore, or what you're even using.
That's the key word right there because I tried to clean some stuff up the other day and things started to not work and it's like there's this, it's not, I don't believe it's actually true, but there's this, I want to say it's the company that makes Fallout, but there is a old legend that the game developers found an image in the asset folder. And it was a picture of a hat, if I remember correctly. And somebody deleted it, and the entire game wouldn't compile over again. They couldn't figure out why. So they put the hat back, and the game compiles again. And somebody put a comment: "Don't ever delete this hat. We don't know what it's used for. It's not used in the game. The game doesn't compile." But I think it was more of a legend because it's
What?
more of I don't think it's actually real, and it's a well-known joke. Like you just go Google it. I either want to say it's Steam or it's the people who make Fallout. But it's more to the point of as something grows, we forget to clean up as we leave things behind.
Oh, we don't forget. We're just avoiding it.
Same problem because after a couple of days, you're screwed. You forgot. Do I use this or do I not use this again? Ah, it was Team Fortress 2. And it was fake. It was a tweet that went off. Fun fact, there's a JPEG of a coconut in the files. The dev note reads, I have no fucking idea who put this here, but when I deleted it, the game wouldn't start. Words cannot describe my fucking confusion. It was a fake tweet, but it was more about the point of keep your shit clean. Because you'll end up with a picture of a coconut somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to have a room. That means I can separate out rooms from the actual grid, which helps me spawn enemies better. I can spawn them in rooms, not just in fucking corridors. Or I can do a corridor if I want. It also means I can make sure that there's an enemy in every room that needs an enemy. Which is huge, because right now I don't have a clue. I'm just randomly puck chucking things.
It's because I can't do that. Okay. I was wondering why that was that size. I'm wondering if we should do too. I don't know what other games do, but I feel like when you go up to a chest, I'm like, am I on it? Can I open it?
Yeah, we should put a little icon over its head.
Some sort of like highlight or something. Yeah.
I'm going to make a interactable indicator. I just haven't figured out what I want to do with that yet. I've seen some games put like a little like circle over your head or like a weird shape over your head to indicate that you're standing over something that can be interacted with. Some games highlight the object.
That was something. I had a pot that was exactly on top of on top of a chest, or the chest was on top of the pot, and you couldn't break the pot until you open up the chest. The chest disappeared.
Yep, chest has a blocker. Oh, this may be real broke. I can tell you that the enemies are real broke. Oh, you're doing like no damage because it's tuned for 4 people. You're gonna be there an hour.
I mean, I already have no hit points. I'm already dead, so.
You start dead. I broke the player's hit points when I did the new stats system, and I haven't gone back because I don't want to fix it. Wow, those actually die?
Yeah, in one hit, and they started with like half hit points.
Those things shouldn't work.
You know, I think I wanna.
If you hit settings, you go back to town. Never mind.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I found what I wanted to find. I was looking to see what dungeon you were using. And you're using this one.
Cole yelled at me today at work.
Yeah, you probably deserved it.
She said I shouldn't be looking at my phone when I was in a meeting. I told her piss off.
I agree. I
was sick and tired of being in meetings all day. I wanted to look at my phone for like 30 seconds, and she yelled at me. I think I should do a set on that for new. Both of these, so I don't have to deal with nonsense. Public
I don't need to do that.
set.
Just
I kind of don't want to do set tile, but
whoa.
see, I've been on the fence with this lately. They changed this and it irritates me. See what the internet said. Hmm. Internet recommends to do it the old school way. You know it's not needed. The internet. If we contain the key, which is the position, we're going to set the tile type at that position. Otherwise, do add. Get rid of this. Did they end up going to Sharon's tonight or Kristen's tonight?
Just Nick and Sharon.
Oh, because Kristen's up at fucking Maine, isn't she?
Yes. She's up in Maine. Yes, sirs.
Don't they ever do that at your house? Sharon and Kristen don't like coming over there, or just You don't want to listen to them.
Sharon's allergic to dogs, or Sharon's scared of dogs, or something of the sort.
Some dog problem or cat
Some
problem.
fear, yeah, it was specifically dogs, but they go over to Kristen's, so
Yeah, wait a minute.
I
Chris has
find
got a
that
dog,
hard to
and he's a
believe.
shithead,
Yeah.
and he's
So
bit people.
I don't know.
Hold on a minute now.
Yeah. I said that to Chris or to Nicole, and I said, "You guys can come over here, and I'll leave. I'll go over to my dad's and spend some time." I said, "It's completely okay. I feel like you're not being fair to them."
A papita.
Okay.
That's in your salad.
I know what was in it. I've seen them.
I don't actually know if it's a papita. I call it a papita, but its pronunciation might be different. Maybe more of a pitas. Close enough.
How were you, and well, that's the thing too, I wasn't really paying attention. With the ground bubbles on the boss, um, how does it go around the archer?
On the revert.
Like, how do the back ones go behind the archer and the front ones go in front of him?
Huh?
Like
That.
this. Yeah, but how is it like depending on where you are, it will.
Are you having the bubbles?
Yes. Or does it not?
He's always standing on top.
And
So wherever his image is, he will go over the top of the bubbles. Since he's standing in the middle, these ones will go behind, these ones will go in front. But if he stands here, yeah, these ones will actually go behind him. It's
all
just
right, so it
it's just a
actually
layering
doesn't
like
work
this.
like this.
It would. If you stood directly in the middle, it'll look just like that.
How would it? Because the image I give you is flat. I'm not giving you two layers.
No, I know you're not, but the archer image is not covering this part of the image. Oh, it's not going to go. I see what you're saying. This bubble here over his hand is definitely going to go under the hand. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. I didn't realize they came up that high. Yeah, they'll start in front of them and then they'll kind of just disappear.
I mean, I guess not
I
like
would need each one of those bubbles to be by themselves, and I can do it.
I mean, they are already.
Yeah.
I have everything on a different layer.
If you gave me each one of those bubbles, I could do it independently, I believe.
I mean, for now, whatever. But I wanted to try giving you this one without the purple ground. It's just like a shadow, and then the bubbles are just purple. So let's try that. How do I replace that? You know what I haven't done in a long time? I haven't checked my shit in.
Oh! Hold, bring that back.
What? 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 What?
119 fucking file changes?
Let's not worry about that.
And by the way, you're double sharing again.
I know, because I was playing the game. So I figured because I didn't have anything up on Aesprite.
119
all
new
the
files.
things.
You wonder why you lost your skeleton.
Can I call it that? All of the things.
You're gonna give me a fucking aneurysm.
Hey, Chris,
What, Jeffrey?
enjoy
Paul?
her layer names as well.
Oh, they're fucking trash. Look at those. Bubbles, copy, 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 copy. Bubbles, copy, 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 copy. Bubbles, copy, 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 copy.
Can I, Paul?
Yeah?
How long's that going to take? It's been a while since I've done that too. Why do I have to add a title? What am I doing? I don't remember what I'm doing anymore. Why does it say dev tr? Is that okay?
Yep.
Oh, you gave her her own
Oh
branch.
God, what are you
Merge.
doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I confirmed I did merge. I didn't pull. I just. Is that bad?
What did you just do?
It's been a while. I merged. I didn't pull. I didn't do. Wait, where is it? I didn't do this.
Oh, I see that.
I didn't do this. I did that.
Is it okay? Did I break it? Do we have to start all over?
Yeah, we gotta start over from scratch. Yeah. Nice name on that fucking PR, by the way, you bitch.
That's what I said. I said it says, why does it say DevTR? Because normally it names it what I named it
You
in
have
the thingy.
300 check-ins that it was waiting for. It didn't know which one to pick.
Oh, all right. Well.
Wow,
Oh,
Christopher, she is doing great.
All right. So how do I replace this in Unity with the one you already have so I can go see it? Because I want to see it now. I want to see it.
That response, Christopher, is 10 out of 10.
what the fuck is happening right now?
The oh my god, right now.
Cool. It's been so long that Unity's kicked your ass out. Mother.
I'm like 12 edit editions behind too, so I have to update versions, whatever you want to call them.
Go back to your life for a few moments.
Boop, boop, boop.
Let's see here. The performance on the target value is supposedly better. I'll use that. I think I'm also going to attempt to make the starting point and the exit point more random, not just inside of an additional room, so we can put it anywhere we want. It's going to take a little bit more work, but shall be good. I don't like it. I'll put it back to the room style I had. Yeah.
Whoa.
What are you whoaing over?
Popped up in my face and I wasn't ready for it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, please. Jesus. Like I got a tiny dick in my throat. It's killing me. Just gonna test this for a little bit. We're gonna do the spawn point later, but let's go up 2. Let's go right 2. Let's go up and right. Oh, that's why it was weird. Because that's not how bricks work.
There is if nope public. I think no. I think it's private for on gizmos. On gizmos. On draw gizmos. Yep. If blueprint equals null bailout. Otherwise, for each bar tile in grid. I'll take it. I hate that it tries to shorthand position with the word pos. I hate it. Position. Spell it out.
All right, so this is successful.
Launch it. Launch it!
Launch what?
Unity Hub.
Uh,
That may be a moment. That's new. I'd expected to see some cubes here. Didn't draw any cubes. Does the grid have anything in it? It does. Drawn something. Oh, I might have the gizmos turned off for that class. It's turned on. Why don't I see gizmos? Oh, that could be why. I see why, I think. Because this gizmo is fucking... This dungeon workbench for some reason is out in fucking space. Okay, I mean... Could be that. Ah, it is that. It's just the same fucking gray as the background. Cool. Okay, I just happened to make a fucking square because I'm a dum-dum. Because I put the same fucking numbers in. So that's not square. Yeah, it is. There we go. Like that blue or something. Okay. Okay. What we need to do is do a. That's gonna do that. Asshole. Blueprint dot spawn point equals. Let's say you're at 0, 2. And let's do the exit point at, let's say, 2, 1. Fuck. Well, I guess you're somewhat right. Okay. Cool. They want to go.
What happened here? Did it run? Yeah. Okay, now what do I do?
Okay.
I mean, it should just be like replacing a picture, right? Nothing's changed. It's just a new picture. It's just the same amount of pictures, same animation. I just want to update the picture, the animation.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me find out where those are. Okay, so on the bottom project window, scroll down to sprites. Go to enemies. Go to bosses. Go to wall. Right click. Show and explore. Nope, nope. Just right click space. Right click the space.
What?
Emptiness. There you go. Show and explore. Check towards the top. Up, up. There you go. Delete the maddening gaze file that's there. Put your maddening gaze file there,
Both
spelled
of them?
exactly the same.
There's the
No, no, no.
PNG and a meta?
Don't touch the meta.
Just the PNG.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
put yours there and rename it exactly the same. Hopefully that works. Just don't touch Unity. Love of God. Oh, you touched it. Did you rename it exactly the same?
Yeah.
All right. Right click on maddening gaze.
Don't I have to refresh?
No, no. Right click on maddening gaze and hit re-import. Right click. Yeah. Re-import. Boy, that looks weird.
Trust the process. Can I play now?
Yeah, but it's set the compression level wrong. Compression level's wrong on my side too. Yeah, try it. So where's that happens?
So it will update Steam too?
No, no, no.
So how do I play it in
Just
here?
hit play on top. You can double click the game tab when it gets big, and it'll or when it starts running, it'll make it bigger. Double click the tab.
Can you exchange that? What tab?
The game tab.
This?
No, the word game next to scene, next to animator. To the left. Yep, double click that. That'll make it big.
Man, those torches. It's still first thing here. It's still here and it's black in here.
Top right, turn it off the sound if you want.
Oh no, it's not that
Oh, I
bad.
know where the exit is on this. Go left. Left. Up and left. Down. As you go up.
Chris, you're
What, right?
behind. Right?
I think, yeah. Oh, no, nope, not yet. Sorry, one more down. I shouldn't be behind. I'm watching you through VLC, not Twitch now, right? And it's like up right. Yeah, it's right there.
I just killed that
Do
one with
not.
one shot.
You're super powerful in here now.
Not with those guys. Can't hit those.
Yeah, that's why I was surprised you're able to kill him in the other thing.
Yeah, I think I like those a little better. Maybe my chickens can explode them.
I don't know where they went. This whole boss is totally boned right now. You like that better, huh? Yeah, I might too. Kind of gives it more of a shadowy.
It looks more natural.
Yeah. I mean, we could always put it back if we had to.
Okay.
You don't have to do that. Just hit stop on the top. So, click on the matting. Oh, you have it. On the right-hand side, change filter mode to point. Up 3, up, point. And then change compression, which is the bottom thing, to none. Hit apply.
Save?
Yep.
Okay, I'm out of there.
Now you got to check that in because you touched something in Unity. You ain't
What?
leaving that out in space. Otherwise, I'm gonna fight.
Oh, what's all that stuff? I don't like it. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
That's scary.
All right, you don't care about these at the moment. Enemy definition database. How'd that get updated? Because it didn't. No. Yes. All right.
New
Yep.
maddening gaze.
Commit it. PR it. Send it. PR's not gonna pop up. You're gonna have to go to branch and then preview pull request. Yep, looks good. Send it. Oh, yep, push commits. And then since you're are you going back into Unity anytime soon?
No.
So you can merge. That's fine. I hate that you put your mouse always next to the delete button. Can we like stay away from that?
It's way up here.
It was here, and then it moves. It scares the shit out of me that you're always near there. Always.
Like there wouldn't be a confirmation. Like, are you sure you want to delete?
Highlight, hit shift. I have no idea if there's a confirmation because I never want to touch it. Now I gotta pull that mess of hers. Alright, there's your file. It's on my side now. Okay, so I am now visualizing the dungeon. Gizmos. Gizmo! Just dinged for me. Oh. Tracy's checking stuff in. Okay. Now it's time to try to make a quote unquote interface. Not really going to do an interface though. We're going to do a scriptable object so we can do interfaces kind of the way this shit works. New Maddening Gaze PR from Beanie Beans. Oh, goody.
Ba, 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 ba. I'm doing the happy dance.
You doing the what
The
dance?
happy dance. The happy dance.
On a happy dance?
Yeah, my waifu's coming home. She sent me a message. She said, I'm coming home.
I thought Chris was going to let us play Are We There Yet tonight.
Me too.
I was sorely disappointed.
Me 3.
You have a problem. There's no Nikki Cole.
Sounds like a her problem.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, we could have done quote unquote research.
Yeah, could do research. Could have done the researches.
I messaged you something. Tell me what you think of that.
Won't be happening.
That's it doesn't have to be now. Just later. Tell me what you think of that.
I think it's a 9 out of 10.
Christopher, you are doing it again.
I literally am giving you what you want.
That is not what I want.
What do you
That
want
is
then?
not what I asked.
What do you want from
I'm done.
me?
I'm done with you, Christopher. I am done with you.
Where is Nikki Cole? Like on the roads? Let's see. According to this, she's still at Sharon's traffic. She's not on her way home.
No, I know. But she's gonna be leaving soon, she said.
I hate those types of houses that they live in.
The duplex?
Yeah, it's not a duplex. It's that weird shared driveway nonsense that I hate.
I don't know what you mean.
Sharon, she lives in a house. The house is
Yeah.
fairly close to her neighbor, and they have only a single
Yeah.
driveway for both houses.
Yeah, they're
Guess
called
you gotta
like
really
duplex, triplex.
like
Not a
your neighbor.
duplex. Duplexes are the buildings touch each other. No, the buildings don't touch each other. 50 feet between them. In fact, there's more feet between those houses than there is the houses in your neighborhood.
Really?
Yeah, I just hate shared driveway bullshit. Go away.
Well, I mean, you're talking about doing a shared one with Brian.
We have a driveway that's a quarter of a mile, and he's going to take up the first 20 feet. He can have the first 20 feet. This is the whole thing is shared. What do you do? Snowblow half of it and be like, fuck you, you're getting the other half?
Well, yeah.
Oh, Tracy,
What?
there's an incredible amount of, or lack thereof, of lava right now.
Is there? Well, yes. Oh, hi, Victory. Yeah. I put the lava floor away because it's a special occasion and I need to save it for when you come around. So
Hmm.
just looking out for you.
I'm redoing logic that I wrote 2 years ago. One of the first things I prototyped. I think I'm doing more pretzel eating than I am actually coding.
Yeah, sounds like it.
And Tracy's over here avoiding enemies like they're the motherfucking bubonic plague. Because now we're back to doing dungeon
I
floors.
worked on it the last 2 streams. A lie. Lies and slander. And I don't appreciate it.
Mm-mm. No, sir.
You don't know him well enough then. No, it's not true. Well, it is true in this case. I don't know if I'm even gonna like this, but we're gonna try it out. Probably don't like it because it's not lava, but
Try this for a second. I gotta fix that with the height and width of the algorithm. So we're going to do a list of bounds int. We're going to call this room bounds, and this is going to use my binary partitioner, which is under utilities. Space to split is that. And right now I don't have the variables set for this, so we're just going to say the minimum width is 5. Minimum height is 5. Yellow. Tracy's grandparents answer the phone that way. Yellow.
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 They are yellow people.
Yeah. And they're also Mondays and Tuesdays.
Well, I should say that's my grandma does the yellow because my grandfather never answers the phone.
Valid
So,
point.
Christopher's comment.
That's way too big.
Tracy.
It's way too big.
Tracy.
It's way too big. You gotta shorten that shit.
Tracy.
yes. Oh.
Player name.
Way too big.
Lava. How many copies is that? Copy, 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 copy. 1.
Yeah. Her grandmother turns 94 next week. What's today? Nope, 2 weeks.
Week and a half.
Christopher. At least fix my the and take my name out of there. I don't want that in there.
Your name gets put in there every time.
No. You're gonna be able to search our code and find my name hundreds of times. People are gonna know.
Sucks to be you.
This was supposed to be a covert operation where I blamed Victory.
I think your grandfather turns 92 in June?
We have a
July.
commercial.
He's 2 years younger, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
2 to 3.
Nah, it's not 3, but yeah, 2.
No, depending on how the time
I'm
falls.
talking about the actual fucking year. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus, just filled all that in. I don't know if I want it. If I look at that, I'm just going to get pissed. So I'm just going to delete it.
So I was looking for a good discrete video recording necklace. And you know what? There really isn't one out there. Someone needs to make money filling that need.
Should I,
I don't.
Wait, what? Why?
Should I ask? Should I ask what you're doing with a video recording necklace?
Well,
Yeah, that's
I
a
feel
little
like
creepier.
the necklace might not stay in place
Yeah, it
well
would jiggle
enough.
jaggle a lot, right? Especially if you were doing things, I think it would just swing too much. And then you're not going to get any
But
good video.
maybe if you
Christopher,
had,
I don't
well,
think that's what everyone's thinking of, number one.
I was going to say if you had
and
an
number
earring.
two.
Yeah, an earring, maybe you could do an earring. Then it might go off to the side.
Yeah, you'd have to make sure they're always.
So you're saying like what? So, like people video like when they drive all the time? Is that what you're saying? So that way you have I guess, an eyewitness account of something that goes down in the event something goes down, or what? Okay, all right.
You got to be really careful about recording in a business, and number one,
Here comes
and
Jeffrey, the
number
party pooper.
two,
He's pooping on your party.
yeah.
Poo-poo. Yeah,
You also
poo-poo.
have to be
Poo
aware of
poo.
state and federal laws that
Poo
may or
poo.
may not require you to notify anyone that
Poo
is
poo.
in
Poo poo. Poo poo poo.
being
Don't listen to him. You don't need to do
recorded
any of that
Yeah,
stuff.
just
or
fuck it.
not.
Just record everything. Because when your life's in danger, nobody gives a shit.
That's not true.
Nobody gives a shit.
That's yeah. I mean, that's a good reason. Yeah.
There's no trail of them telling you to do something. Right. They're like, murder this dude. And you're like, but is that an order? And they're like, yeah. And then later on, they're like, we didn't tell you to do that.
Nobody would really know you're recording unless it becomes like a thing. But if something happens and you have a recording, then you could be like, dude, I got that recorded.
Well, uh,
No phones? Dang.
Mm.
you're
Well,
gonna have
I
to get
have
one of
a.
those buttons, little recording buttons.
Then your buddies at work are going to be like, why do you always wear button down shirts? Or maybe your work will be like, you guys have to wear uniforms now. Then what do you do? Wear a pin? All right, well, I have some different floors for you to try out. Sprinkle them in there and see what happens. I don't know if I like the dark or the light, so I gave you both, and then I gave you ones that have mixed. 'Cause I thought that might be cool, but maybe it's not. I don't know.
Okay. Right now, our situation does not handle random floors too well, but we'll deal with that too.
Well, you wanted to make the dungeon look more
I know.
alive and
No,
more
I know.
interesting.
I'm working on the situation of getting us to the point where I can use that stuff. Got this motherfucking pretzel shoved in my
I don't
fucking
want to
teeth.
do too many because I want to see what it looks like. All right, what else we got to work on?
Carabiner. Hmm. Obviously, glasses are out. You're talking. You think it's got to be a piece of jewelry? Why do you care about a camera? If you really wanted to do this espionage nonsense, why not just record sound if they're telling you to do something? Does not matter about picture. And
Oh, because I'm in a
I
sandwich.
mean, I don't know if things have gotten better since I've last looked at cameras, but you're not finding an 8 to 10 hour battery life camera that's not plugged into something that's recording at 720. Ah, they're like, do this thing, and then they point to this, but they don't tell you what the thing is.
So, Chris,
Yes, Tracy.
I don't know what happened to my lurker enemy. Where did it go? Did you do something when I pulled or pushed or something, or?
What are you doing over there? This is the second thing you've lost recently. He's right there.
No, that's not the one. That's just one layer. Where's my animations? Please tell me I didn't lose that. I cannot do them all over again. And it's not this. This is just well, I know what it was called. And you're not going to like it, but oh, yeah, wait, that's a good idea. Hold on, hold on. Is it in my history? Ah, no, I opened too many shit.
You didn't open new blacksmith exterior today.
No, last time I streamed I did though. Monday. I know where it was. It was out here. It was here, and it was called Lurker Test 2, or in parentheses, or 1, or something like that. It's either one of those two things. But I don't know where it is now. Where would it have gone?
I don't know. This is the second time you think you've lost something.
Well, and it just so happened because I did the PR today.
PRs don't make things go away.
Well, I know, but it's weird, isn't it?
You sure?
I mean, I didn't delete it.
This is.
Let me do a search for it. Maybe I got dragged into a different folder.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me just check the recycle bin. The fuck is that again? I can tell you, nothing has existed in that folder called Lurker New. Ever. Ever. Where do you think you put it?
I don't know. I'm going to just come out here. I'm going to search. Ah, there it is. See?
Yeah, where's
Somewhere.
that?
I don't know. How do I find out? There it is. There it is. There it is.
Let's pull him out of here. Let's put him here.
Yeah, right where you belong.
Yeah, where he belongs.
Lurker test 2, and shadow lurker. Yeah. I need to get better at naming things. Ah, crisis averted.
Sorry, Victory, I couldn't see your nonsense because I was over there. No, it's a single GitHub. It's not that. It's that she's just putting things in folders and naming them so poorly that they disappear. So I back her shit up all the time, and I keep version history and stuff. So since the backup had no reference to that file where she thought it was, it never existed there. Because it was somewhere else. Tracy, name your shit better. New 2. New 2. Shadow Lurker 2. Get your life together, says Victory. Jesus.
You know, it's kind of like those people that have like messy desks and they know where everything is. Well, clearly I didn't today, but I found it.
You found it all right.
See, and it did. It had the 2 in the parentheses. I told you that it was named something like that.
You told me all right.
I told you. All right. That.
Shouldn't room bounds be a fucking int? If it's an int, why is the center return? Oh, because duh. Center of even a whole number can be a half. So I'm gonna have to fucking round these, I guess. Yeah, I'll just round the math f dot round to int. Math f dot round to int.
So Victory had the same type of moment, but naming my pushes to -4, like dates. When you leave for a bit and you're looking for something, better notes sure would help.
Like, I wonder what, or I wonder when I did this, or I need to look to see when I did this. Was it in 2-4, 7/9, 64-97? Oh my god. Don't worry, Tracy today did her PR and just named it her branch. Cool. That PR certainly will tell us what's inside of it. Her entire just branch, it's everything is in here.
I asked you about that before I committed it or whatever, because I thought it looked weird, and you were like, "Oh no, that's what your stuff is called." So I was like, "Fucking fine, I'm gonna do it." You gave me the green light.
You didn't specify. All you said was it says dev tr. I thought you meant you
Yeah.
were in your branch. I'm like, yeah, you should be in your
No,
branch.
I didn't. When was the last? It was 119 files before I last did it. So I was looking for confirmation.
You're the worst. And she's got him swinging now.
Yeah, he's
missing an
giving me
arm at
some
the moment.
problems, but so I have done up to this point some pretty simple animations. So this is like my first pretty complex one, and I'm struggling. I am struggling, but we'll figure it out. So I was trying to look at dinosaurs and how dinosaurs move to get the movement, but I don't know. It wasn't working. So I got something started, but
I mean, it does. His leg movement is really similar to different dinosaurs, because it's just the way their feet are.
yeah, I mean, I just have a big jump there. It's just like from standing to my foot's forward now. And I figured maybe I could fill it in between later, but if I can get the staples like where the ends, thought maybe I could fill in the middle a little easier.
Yeah, well, you know where you're trying to get to. So, Victory, your arm swipe if it's still like alive.
Oh, yeah. Whack.
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 It's not bad. I like it.
Whack.
Whack, whack.
We actually did put him into the game, and he looks pretty cool.
He does. He does.
He doesn't animate yet in the game, but it's something.
Yeah, I had him just in the room just to see what it would look like. Wish I could.
I want to take this leg.
I just literally threw him in the dungeon to see what he would look like. And he looks pretty cool. I mean, at least in this dungeon. We're supposed to have like tons of different styles of dungeon, but for now, I was just like, yo, lurker dude, get in here. Whoops. Can't drop it on the game, gotta drop it in the scene.
I'll be right back in a couple minutes.
Okay, okay. We thought he looked pretty cool, just hanging out. Oh, get out of here, you jackasses. Delete. Yeah, we liked him kind of the size he was and everything. Just kind of fits nice. I kind of want to move him around a little bit. All right. Right, and I'm doing a room, so I'm going to do the room dot floor tiles dot add, and I kind of want to save that vector so I don't blow it, use it twice. So we're going to do a vector 2int position, put that in here and there. So now I'm building a room and I'm building a floor. When I'm done building that room, every bound is a new room. So we're going to add a room there to the blueprint. And we're going to return to blueprint. Now, this isn't doing any random walking. This is just binary partitioning a room first dungeon. Which I'm okay with right now. Alright, hold on to that thought. Okay, so if I go to my dungeon workbench and instead of doing a new blueprint, and I say instead blueprint equals new melee.dungeon.room first layout.generate. Dungeon workbench. Didn't expect there to be spaces. I'm not doing any randomness. just partitioning. Oh, it should be perfectly square. Where's the gizmos? I've had this problem before where the gizmos don't draw. There's just too many of them. Freaks the fuck out. It looks okay. That's weird there. Why is that?
Oh, hey, boy.
Oh, I just got booped. You just booped me. You said hi. Not quite time. You got 27 minutes. Are you going to survive? Are you going to survive?
He'll tell you no.
He thinks he's going to die. Oh, somebody needs to be tucked in. Let me tuck you in.
No.
What'd you say? No.
I said, I know.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Actually, he's not going to stay. I need to get up for a second because I put wood on the fire. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. There's nothing happening.
Stretch this back leg.
Oh, he was in the big boy bed.
Something like that. Let's just clean it up a little bit. All right. I mean, it looks okay as an image, but does it look good
As
as
an
an
image.
animation?
As an image, it
I need
looks
to do.
fine.
Let's copy this. Well, I need to fix this image then now. And I need to swing his arms when you walk. And I need to get up and walk so I can think about this. So when you walk, which arm goes forward?
The opposite.
The opposite. Okay.
Get toes out without getting up.
Oy.
Yeah, it's unnatural for you to walk with the same appendage.
So when So I had the arms going the wrong way on the last one, right? No. Okay, so that arm was that leg was coming forward, that arm is going back. So when he goes the other way, this arm needs to go back, this arm needs to go forward. Okay. Let's just take this arm. No, I don't want both the arms. There we go. Delete this one. And now let's bring this one forward. Let's just do it this way first, and then we'll clean it up and make it look a little nicer. Ooh.
Yeah, boy, I can't imagine doing the animation without layers because, like, if you want to make one change, it's like so terrible. But yeah, by keeping the arms on a separate layer, that really helps. Not my thing.
I think that needs to swing a lot more forward. Whoa, wrong layer. Yeah, something like that. All right, but it goes down too far. Okay, all right, now let's fix this back arm.
at my old code for the room first dungeon generation. I'm missing this create rooms randomly function. My new one. I did create simple rooms too. Okay.
It doesn't really matter on that top part. I don't think you're gonna see it. Okay. All right. I think the arm actually goes back a little too far, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, maybe we'll bring it a little forward. Looks like it bends weird.
The back left one?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of almost like it's too far bent.
Oh, you know what? It actually might be the front one.
I think the front one's getting in its way. Causing it's causing a illusion that it bent funny. That's the knee.
Didn't think I brought it that far forward, but maybe it moved. Huh. All right, well, I'm just gonna cut it at the joint. Fix this.
Let's bring this. This over here. Let's just kind of do. For every room, we're going to add the center. We're going to add the room. And then we're going to do some math on that. What we want to do is do a hash set, vector 2 ints. Right now, I just want to do a floor positions equals, let's just do like a run random walk. I think is what I called it.
Let me just use this for how long I need it.
We'll figure that out.
Oops.
Center bounds.
Let's just keep what we have for a second.
I don't like that name, but whatever.
I want to do something more like that. Yeah, let's bring it down. Like his foot is getting ready to hit the ground.
Nicole is on the way.
You said that 20 minutes ago.
Well, she said she was getting ready to go
She's a
then.
liar.
So. It
Oops.
was actually like 40 something minutes ago. She said she was getting ready to go, but she said they had some good talks tonight. And I said, oh,
What does that mean?
I guess it was her and Sharon. They girl talk. I don't know. You wouldn't understand.
That's not nice.
Well, it's not saying in a
Puts me
mean
right
way. I'm just
in the hurt.
saying, like, I'm just saying it's, I don't know. They do the girl thing. I don't have friends, so I don't know what that's like.
Welcome to our life.
I don't want friends. Friends take work. Work means more effort. That's a no go. No fucking bueno for me. Oh, fuck me. This is about me doing activities for the day.
All right, let's put some talents on.
Oh, Christopher. Bloop, 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 bloop.
He's got to cut his nails.
No way.
I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I think it's too curled now. We're getting there.
Wow. My car was slow.
current dungeon stats. What is that called? I think it's called World. Yep, there it is. So I'm doing 15 iterations over 15 distance. Bounds of the space is 50 by 50 with the room height of 10 by 10. That should generate something real close. Really close.
I want the claws straight out.
That is really close to what we have. Let's do Unity random initialize state of 28. Just give me my old layout I used to have. I think.
Wow, time flies when you're having fun. Oh wow, I did something weird with his head and neck. That's off. Some pixels are off. Right there.
Yeah, that's right. You used to walk that way. You'd walk that way. You'd come down here. You'd walk there, here, up. Yeah, there's that weird squiggly. That's the old 28 dungeon. Okay.
Oh, that's why.
All right. I'm in a good spot. I actually have the layout transition to a scriptable object. So it's adjustable. I need to do some more work here. I gotta liberate this run random walk out of my old. This has gotta come out of here, this abstract dungeon generator. This thing isn't bad though. Huh. I have a lot to clean up in here.
All right, well, we can put him in, see what he looks like.
Um,
Not right now.
no, I understand it, but that's not a complete animation where you just want to see what that looks like for one cycle.
To just see what it looks like. But boy, did you just like take me from here to
Well,
here.
I wanted to make sure we were on the same page because he's stopping like in the middle of his walk.
Well, that's
Or is
because he's
it
cycling back to the beginning of the animation.
right? Okay, so you want me to do 11 through 14, and 10 is just the start. I have problems looking at it through Aesprite because you're doing a transition. I need the loop, right? Oh, that looks nice. Zoom in.
He actually doesn't pick up his feet, and that's what I'm missing is like
Zoom
those
in.
between animations. So he's just kind of like shuffles along.
Zoom in.
What? Oh.
Hell, listen. He doesn't pick up his feet, kind of shuffles. You know? Maybe he's got special goopies on his feet, which makes him slippies on the ground. Who gives a shit? It'll probably look really
You
cool.
might not be able to tell when it's that small anyway.
I actually kind of like it the
Yeah.
way he walks
Leave
that
it.
way.
Let's just see what it looks
I
like.
would
We'll
say,
get that ready for next time.
can you loop it and repeat it over and over and over?
Just was.
That's what I was doing.
No, like fast, like at a faster animation, like at a normal walk animation, like an in-game walk animation.
Depends on how fast you want to set it. I don't
You
know.
can't highlight multiples and set the time.
I don't know. You probably can.
Oh, look at his little head bob. Boop, 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 boop.
If that's too much, I can get
Yeah,
rid
that's
of
too
that. Bob.
fast.
Can you move the right leg a little more?
No, Jeff. I mean, yes, but not right now.
Boop,
The
boop,
right
boop,
leg
boop,
a little
boop.
more to the way. Which way?
So the last frame, I think.
I like them all, Goofy.
I think it's that one or the frame after.
There is no frame after. That's it.
As far as she goes. Play now.
It's that one. No, go back one. No, that one. It's the
It's that one.
It's that one.
That one. That one. That one.
That was a
it's
decent
delayed
speed.
because I'm watching
Yeah,
Twitch.
you're 7 seconds or whatever behind, and yeah.
Yeah.
So that's probably not in the. Oh, actually.
It is the frame you're frozen on right now.
12?
Can you move that top of that right leg a little to the right?
This
It
over
looks
here.
really awkward. See, no. Like where the leg joins the hip.
You want
That
that to
top
move.
of that. No. See where it's down? It's down right there. It's that joint. That right joint looks a little weird. No.
You're going to have to share your
Down.
screen, Tracy, with him on Discord because you're going to be here
Yeah.
an eternity
For
trying to
hours.
figure out that.
Yeah. It just looks a little weird.
I think it looks good, but I am no artist.
That's fine.
Well,
And
it
yes,
is what it's going to be for right now.
and you have to remember that when I hesitated in the beginning, it's due to the fact that you tend to, in Aesprite, come from a non-looping state into an animation. I'm looking at it from the looping state, so you just pushing that over to 11, 12, 13, 14 makes sense. Swipe, motherfucker. What
Well,
is
you do it
10?
as separate animations, and then you just break the animation down.
Yeah.
10's just still.
Is 10 the same as 2?
Can go away. It's the same as 9.
It's 9. But 9's the end of his swipe.
It's not even part of the animation cycle. I can delete it.
Oh, God.
Why are you getting hung up on this?
I'm
not giving this to you right now, this very second. I will get rid of the ones you don't need. Calm your hormones. Holy jeez.
Holy jeez.
See, I even have some out here that I had the start of the blink that I started to do, and then you were
Hello?
food on that.
Hello, Nicole, you bitch.
You bitch!
Wow.
Yep.
Showed up just for you to stop streaming.
Yep.
Mhm.
Yep.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
What can I say except you're welcome?
All right, well, we'll save this.
Save it, please, for the love of God.
And we may do another stream coming up with
What?
gameplay.
Oh,
Today?
boy.
No.
Not today. but
When?
But I
Jack?
imagine we probably
Meaningful.
will not be streaming on Super Bowl Sunday unless we do something earlier in the day.
Wow.
We'll see. We'll see how things go. If not, we'll be back on Monday. But yeah, we could have a game
That's right. It
stream.
is the Soupy Bowl this Sunday, huh?
Yeah.
Soup and bowl.
The
And
Stoopy Bowl.
nuts.
The Stupid Bowl.
Stupid bowl. Which, yeah, let's go. We'll
I
have
wanna
stuff
I
to talk
wanna at
about.
least say that today there was a vote going on in our stand up, and Nicole's response was to the question, who do you want to win the Super Bowl? Hers was, what costumes are they wearing? That threw the team into a tizzy.
I did
Costumes?
just because I knew it was gonna throw them all off.
Costumes?
I
What,
knew it was
what
just-
costumes?
Yeah, I said, well,
Instead of
I said it
uniforms.
depends on who I pick. I said, what do their costumes look like?
That's
That'll
not-
be who I choose. And they just
uniforms.
I know I said it specifically because
They lost
all pissed
their
off.
shit.
Why would you do that?
Because
great.
I
You're
just
such
like
a
riling them up.
You
for no
are
reason.
like the little Spitfire that
It's
just.
so easy to rile them up.
To be fair, nobody gave me pictures of their
All right,
costumes. I had to look them up myself.
Let's close her down.
Oh, Jeff is kicking us off.
Yeah, well, boy is ready and he's
Sir
getting
Game
antsy
Director
pants.
says you're done. All right. Well,
Well,
thanks
we
for
got
joining us
stuff to talk
tonight.
about, yeah.
Swipe. Get out of here.
Swipe, get out, bitch. Have a good night. For those that are watching, Victory, see you later. We'll see you guys in a few days. Bye. Take care.
Thanks for watching.
That's too many diamond pieces.